All right, so this is my go-to for the knee. I've got these ankle weights. They're about a pound each. I'll send you the link. You can buy these on Amazon. They're like, I think $5 or $8, but they're about a pound a piece. You want to buy the 1-pounders, and then you're going to Velcro them together. And then you want to sit ideally on your bed if you can, somewhere where your feet can hang off. And you're just going to wrap this around your ankle. And you want to kind of keep it at about a 90-degree angle with about a finger's width behind your leg to the bed. So try to keep it up as close and snug as you can and not out like that. So pretty close here. You can even put a towel and roll it underneath your leg and put it right there. And you're just going to let it rest and hang. Try not to move it. You can kind of shake it a little bit to kind of relax. And you may not feel anything at first. After about a minute or two, you're just going to feel a gentle stretching. And this is just to kind of stretch that joint here between your bones and those ligaments. Kind of stretch those to give the bones a little more space when you're moving and bending your knee. So 3 to 5 minutes, I recommend this. Just sitting here and letting that leg hang and stretch. And this will help just take some pain off. It releases kind of some endogenous opioids to kind of get some pain relief, and it stretches those ligaments. And so you could do this in the morning or at night, 5 minutes at a time. Okay, and so then my other one is the bridges. And this might be difficult if your knee's a little tight and stiff, but I would say if you can, on the bed or on the floor, softer yoga mat, you're just gonna kind of start getting your feet back. This might be the hard part, getting far back enough. Your knee might be too tight, but if you can get to this position, and then you're just gonna gently start practicing the bridges. And what you're gonna do is kind of push through your heels of your feet, and then squeeze your glutes as you go up. And this is just to help strengthen the glutes and stretch some of that muscle tightness in your knee. And so you could just do these, I would say 30 of these in the morning to help get you primed, the right muscles activated for the day. Okay, if this is too difficult to start with, you can't get your knee back far enough, then even just doing some gentle glute squeezes where you're just squeezing your glutes in the bed, pushing your heels in the bed. And so you could just do some gentle glute squeeze and lifts. And this just gives your legs more strength in the glutes so your other muscles don't have to work as hard. And then the last thing, also I'll send you this strap to buy. It's like $10 on Amazon. It's really good. A really good exercise to show you to do to stretch that knee is to take your heel, crisscross the bands, put the strap on your foot, and then use your arms, not your leg, and you're just stretching that kneecap, stretching that quad muscle. And then your leg should be basically dead or relaxed completely, and you're just using your arms. And then you just kind of back it off. My foot slid off the strap, but then you just slide it back up with your arms until you feel a gentle stretch right here. And you can hold 15, 20 seconds, and then do 5 of these in the morning would be awesome. And then while you have your strap, now you can stretch your hamstrings back here. Have the band crossed, and then you're just pulling again, the legs dead, completely relaxed, and you're just stretching all this back here. Hold at least 15 seconds, ideally 30, 3 or 4 of these a day. And that's what I would do to start. And that'll help loosen up that knee, strengthen the muscles, and help reduce some of that pain.